Boom! What's going on, everyone? Welcome to today, and welcome to the One Funnel Away Challenge. Guys, we are going to be building your squeeze page today. Now, the rest of this week is all about building a page itself. What is awesome, okay, I know yesterday's a little bit intense, and the day before a little bit intense. If you've never seen ClickFunnels, it's a lot. Okay, and so the way we broke this up is that today you're building a squeeze page. Tomorrow's all about the sales page and an order. Then you're going to build the upsells and stuff like that. So it's literally day by day by day. What I encourage you to do is not stress out. I know that this, again, like I said, is a lot. And if you've never seen this before, it can definitely be, if you're not considering yourself techie, right, it can be a lot. Frankly, though, if you can use Facebook, you click around and stuff like that, you can use ClickFunnels as well. Again, just to recap, typically the reason somebody sucks at ClickFunnels is not because it's ClickFunnels. It's usually they have no idea how to market. And that's why we walked you guys through what we did at the beginning of this. Now, okay, what we're going to walk through today is the squeeze page. How to build them, what they are, the different styles. Just like there is a blueprint to make a tire on a car. I just see a car and said tire, that's why I'm looking at it. Just like there's a blueprint to make a tire on a car, there is a blueprint for the best kinds of squeeze pages. And that's what I want to walk through with you guys today. I actually made my first dollar on the internet after using, this is pre-ClickFunnels, using some other guy's squeeze page software. And it's funny because it's the exact same kinds of things I'm going to share with you. It's the same. A lot of these principles don't change very frequently, which should be nice. I got to tell you guys, I hate studying or learning flash in the pan strategies. I don't like learning them. I don't like teaching them. I only like to go learn the things that will be true 5 years, 10 years from now, and true was a while ago. So so it's a sturdy information, right? So that's what I'm going to walk you guys through a little bit today. Now, the thing I would encourage everybody go do is to download the Funnel Hackers Cookbook. If you go to funnelhackerscookbook.com, you can get it for free. Funnelhackerscookbook.com. I'm pretty sure that's the URL. Yeesh. Okay, so you can download it. He'll ask for your email because we're marketers. So you toss your email in. And then there's an option where you can buy it, and I think it's like 20 bucks or something like that, and we'll ship it out to you. Or you can get the PDF one for free. Just click right there and download it, okay? Yes, Maria. Hey, guys, thank you so much. I will definitely comment on what to do when you don't own the cart. I'll walk you guys through that in just a little bit here. Let me teach you guys the main core here, though. But thank you. I will get to that. That's a big deal, so I'll make sure you get to that. Hey, there are 3 different kinds of opt-in pages. There's the squeeze page, there's the reverse squeeze page, and there is the lead magnet. They are not the same thing. Most people use those terms synonymously, and I'm not going to try and get too far into the semantics of it, but I want you to understand the difference between the 3 and when we use the different kinds. Okay, we're teaching you to build a specific type of opt-in page, meaning we want people to come in and just opt in. We don't care if they buy anything. We just want to build a list. And so there's 3 different types that I'm going to walk through real quick with you guys and share with you how to build this. Okay, the first one is literally called a squeeze page. Now, most people mistake all kinds of opt-in pages as a squeeze page. Okay, a squeeze page quite literally looks like this. Okay, it is. See if I can get this to focus. There we go. Okay, it is. Okay, now I'm going to walk through the structure of each of these as well in ClickFunnels so you guys can see them. Okay, so this would be like a section, right? This is my big section right here inside of ClickFunnels. Right here, you see this one row. It's just one column too. There's not like 2 different columns here and here. So it's a 1 column row. And then this right here, I'm going to break the way you guys see every page in the future now. Every single thing in layout. I actually was a layout and yearbook. I was a layout designer in yearbook in high school. While everyone else was playing sports and doing cool stuff, I was a geek singing and playing a lot of instruments. And I was a head editor of yearbook. Okay, so I did a lot of this stuff growing up, and that's the reason why I've been building so many funnels for so many years. It's very similar. Okay, as far as layout goes, this is a headline element. This subheadline right here is the subheadline element, go figure. Okay, right down below right here, that is the input element, meaning we're going to ask for an input. In ClickFunnels, I could change that to collect their name, their email, their phone number, their address, okay? Custom stuff, whatever I want to collect and tag it as. I can collect any kind of information. Then when I clicked right here, this is a submit button. Okay, this is a button obviously, but I'm telling it submit, which will collect the data from this page and go assign it to the profile in ClickFunnels. Okay, now the opt-in page is one of the most important pages in any funnel. And the reason is not just because of the psychology behind the marketing, but in ClickFunnels itself, all profiles start with an email contact. Okay, meaning you can't save a contact inside of ClickFunnels without their email address. In fact, most of the time, I only ask for an email. I don't ask for their name. Okay, and so does that make sense? So every single contact profile, it begins and at least needs an email. Okay, so that you can start list building. As they buy things in the future, all that information gets attached to that email profile. Okay, their name, their address, what they bought, how much it was for, right? If they bought any upsells, stuff like that. All that stuff will be saved to inside of ClickFunnels automatically for you. Okay. So anyways, now if you look at this, it's very simple. Okay. One of my good friends, Trey Llewellyn, I was hanging out over his house and we were looking at his funnel together. We were chatting, and he and I were looking at his squeeze page, and this is literally all it was. Okay, this is it. And they had like a 63% opt-in rate. Okay, that's massive. That's absolutely huge. Most good opt-in pages, 20% plus. He's getting 63. Anyway, and all it was this. Okay, it was literally a headline, subheadline, input, and button. Okay, I would tell you that most of the reason why people don't do well in this game is that they put too much stuff on the page. Okay. Remember, it's all about curiosity. That's the only reason why opt-in pages work. Lots of curiosity, scarcity, urgency, okay? Curiosity, lots of open loops. The biggest reason I see someone's thing doesn't convert, there's no curiosity. Okay? None. You can remove all of it. Okay? Don't do that. Okay? So squeeze page, okay? That's literally it. We are squeezing the information from them. That's why we call it that, and that's why the industry calls it that. Okay? The next page type, opt-in page type, I want to show you guys real quick. Here, this is on page 64 if you guys have the book or the PDF. Page 68. Okay, this is called a reverse squeeze page. Okay, reverse squeeze page, and this is what it looks like. Now the difference in a reverse squeeze page from a normal squeeze page. Okay, we use these for different reasons. Okay, depending on what it is that we're promoting. We're teaching you a specific style, so I'm just walking you guys through some of these. This is anyway, a reverse squeeze page gives information before you ask for the opt-in. Okay, whereas a squeeze page says opt in and I'll give you the answer to XYZ. Make sense? Opt in, I'll give you the answer to X, Y, and Z. That's a squeeze page. A reverse squeeze page gives the information up front and then says opt in here. What's the benefit of that? Okay, if I'm going to opt in before I see the information, I'll get more opt-ins. Less qualified ones though. I'll get more people, but not as good of a list. If I give the information up front though, I give all the information up front, I go and I build a relationship with them, I give all the info up front, and then I ask for an opt-in, that's not nearly as many people will opt in, but a much higher qualified lead ends up popping through. Make sense? That's part of why we do what we do with this. So there's a squeeze page, reverse squeeze page. And just to show you what this would look like inside of ClickFunnels would be this. Okay, just flip the page here. This is why we made this book, so everyone can see it. Okay, there's a green section inside the editor. There's a row, it's just a single row again. And then there's different elements. The logo, right? Then there's the video, input, and button. That's it. Okay, right? And there's kind of like a wireframe layout as well. Okay, can you split test these? Absolutely, absolutely. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, the third kind that we're going to walk you guys through, and one of the major, this is basically the page type you guys are learning. Okay, this is the one that we're having you guys build inside this challenge here, is what we call, bye, I'm leaving. Cool, that's too bad. Okay, this next one is called the lead page, lead magnet page. And the point of the lead magnet page is to give something away for free when they opt in. Meaning, logically, I need to opt in order to get this thing. So I'll say something like, hey, I'm going to give you guys this cool thing. This is a big joke we had for a long time as nude squirrel art. anyway. Okay. We said, hey, we're going to give you guys this really cool thing. I need to know where to send it to you, though. Put your email. Now, logically, what's cool about that is that they start to go, oh, my gosh, that's so awesome. This is so, so cool. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty funny. Anyway, I can see why. I logically understand why I need to give you my email, because you need to know where to send it. That's one of the reasons why this is actually my favorite one. And this is the one that you guys are learning how to build here. Okay. So Now that you guys have seen a few different styles on opt-in pages, those are like the most common kinds. There's other ways to get people's information and have them be able to opt in. So lead magnet is same like squeeze? No? I'm sorry, I don't understand the question. Squeeze page, let's draw it. I'm very visual. It's going to be better than me just trying to describe it. Paintbrush. Let me share my screen with you guys here. Okay, check this out. And then we'll walk through what we're doing. Alrighty. Okay, so a squeeze page. And don't get too hung up on this stuff, guys. We're just trying to give you guys a little bit of understanding on what it is that we do and why they work. Okay, and what kind that we're building with you guys. So a squeeze page. There's reverse squeeze page. And then a lead magnet. Okay. All right. So somewhat the same, right? So we have a page, page, and page. Okay, on a squeeze page, it's the simplest kind. Often it's the one where we get the most opt-ins, but they're not as qualified. Okay, because it's literally just headline, right? Oops. Headline. Then we got sub-headline. Then we'll have like an put your email here as an opt-in, and then we have a button. Bloop, right? And then there's the button. That's basically it. Reverse squeeze page. The only difference, it's literally the exact same thing. Right, we got a sub-headline. You got headline. I should make paintbrush secrets, huh? We got the video right here. Oops. Video right here. Or some kind of piece of information. Then below it, then we have the opt-in as well as the actual button here. Okay. Which do you recommend? Totally depends what you're doing. Totally depends what you're doing. Okay, then at the this next one here, and this is the one that we're building with you guys. Okay, we've got the headline. Oops, we got the headline. Oops. Okay, headline, subheadline. But then what we do is we say, hey, do you want this cool like free goodie, right? This cool goodie thing. Right? So the thing that we're teaching you guys to do is create like an ebook. Right? Something that's information. Takes no cost to fulfill on your side. Very, very, very beneficial way to do this. Okay. Then what we'll do is we'll put, so let's say again, this is like an ebook. Ebook or report or PDF download or, you see, it's something like that. Then we have the actual opt-in right there. Opt-in for more, or opt-in so that we know where to send it to you, because I don't know where to give you this ebook. Okay, that's kind of what we're doing. So this one right here is the one that we're building, and what I wanted to do, I thought it'd be cool, is to show you guys some live examples of this and how to actually go build it. So what we've got here, this is the actual funnel, right? They're walking through, and these are the edits that I made yesterday on it. But let's say you wanted to start from scratch again, just to show you the ease of ClickFunnels. Let's say I'm going to build a lead magnet page, and the path is get this cool thing free. Okay, I'm gonna put submit it real quick here. It'll build the page. That's the universal sound for page building. All right. Okay, then we're gonna just bring the page up here. The computer's doing too many things. Okay. Okay. Gonna bring the page up here, and I'm like, you know what? I don't want this page. Let's say I just delete it. Think over your questions here while this is loading here. Which do you recommend? Is this better choice for how traffic? Let's see, laughing, cookbook's amazing, lead magnet all the way. I personally love lead magnet the most because it's logical on why they're going to opt in. Okay, but that works really well for a front-end styled funnel. If I'm going to do a webinar, what I'm doing is it's kind of a lead magnet. It's more like basically a squeeze page though, right? opt in here, and I'll see you on the webinar. Right? It's kind of that. Which type of lead magnet do you recommend when you do free plus shipping? Which type of lead magnet do you recommend when your free plus shipping offer is a book? In that case, the offer page and squeeze page are the same thing. You're just using the two-step order form. Hey, I don't want to get too deep in the nitty-gritties on your individual scenarios here. I'm trying to teach you how to like think through this stuff, not give you all the answers. So if I go here, over here, let's check out. There's a whole bunch of cool templates. You know what? Let's just go with this squeeze page right here. You know what? I'm actually just going to delete it all, though. While that's popping up right there, this is ClickBank. ClickBank is awesome because it holds hundreds of thousands of successful sales funnels. Okay, this is like before Amazon got massive. And what's cool about it is this is where a lot of people with successful sales funnels come to ClickBank to find other people who don't want to build a product but are just looking to sell something, and they give them a commission when they sell it. So what's cool is I can come in here and see what some of the top pages are. A little hack here. If I go into ClickBank, click on the marketplace, and I'm going to go search products, but I don't put anything in. I'm just going to press enter. It will actually show me the top funnels, the top performing and top revenuing funnels in all of ClickBank. Okay, from top to bottom. So this is the number one right here. They're getting tons and tons. I've never seen. I'm doing this live. Okay, I don't know what I'm. Anyway, flat belly fix. Let's click on what that is. Check it out. Oh my gosh. My guess is we're gonna go see a video here, right? We're gonna go see a video here for a while, and then at the bottom there's gonna be something that pops up either to opt in or for a product immediately. So this is most likely a reverse squeeze page. You see what I'm saying? And by the way, if you're on the top of these, you're doing usually like 100 grand a month, okay, or a day, okay, even up to. One of the Venus Factor was doing, they were doing sick numbers, like 50 grand a day plus up to 100. It was insane. So when I say the successful, like this is a really good place to come and see what successful funnels are doing and things you can model in there. Okay, so if I am selling something in the weight loss space, I should probably come see what Flat Belly Fix is doing. Okay, power efficiency guide. Okay, so this is more likely probably like a prepper's thing. It's very similar style. Look, hey, do you want to read it instead? Click here to turn on. That's very, very clever. It's very clever. Now the page is probably timed, and they're probably going to time in an input field or click here to buy now field. Okay. I'm trying to give you guys some cool resources. See, oh, Ted's Woodworking. This thing has been on the top forever. Okay. 16,000 woodworking plans.
My name is Ted McGrath, and today I'm going to show you how you can build whatever DIY project you want without spending.
Okay, let me just mute the tab here. But what do they got? Oh, look, social proof. Cool video at the top. It's probably like an image headline. Yeah, it is. List of plans you can find. Does this work for me? I mean, that's awesome. Super cool. Return to video to the top. Okay, so let's say I'm going to go and I'm going to build this. Please, for the love, be ethical with what I'm about to show you. All I'm going to go do is, now I got this lead magnet page over here. Let's just open up ClickFunnels. Why should I give you my info on a squeeze page? I'm not getting anything in return. Interesting that 63% is a pretty normal conversion rate, though, on that. Remember, you're not your customer. Okay, it's all about curiosity. It will not work if you suck at creating curiosity. Okay, so it's all about headline writing with a squeeze page. Okay, what type of lead magnet do you recommend? 100% your call. What are you just getting email, or do you ask for the name as well? Have you tested the difference? Typically, we get lower conversions when we ask for more than just email. Plus, if I'm going to be selling them something later, I don't need their name yet anyway. I just need them to have a micro engagement, right? The second yes is always easier than the first yes. So if I get them to say yes by putting in their email address, okay, that second yes on the next page is a lot easier. It's one of the reasons why we're having you walk them through an opt-in page. The next page we're having you build tomorrow is a sales page. They've already said one yes, okay? Let's see, is there any difference? The lead magnet is a bribe for their email address. On the lead page we're building is a better conversion to put the button that opens a pop-up. Yeah, guys, hey, you're getting too into wanting me to make blanket statements on truth. Okay, I'm not your buyer. Okay, so what the answer is to go in. I'll show you how to make a split test here real quick, and just have people like split test. I mean, right? That's the name of the game. Okay, I'm teaching you guys a framework where you can walk through and build out what we know by the numbers and hundreds of millions of dollars. Okay, ClickFunnels has now trackable processed over $2.5 billion. Okay, ClickFunnels doesn't process it, but what we can track through other people's credit card processors, run it. Okay, we got some freaking sick sample test size. You know what I'm saying? What we're doing with you is helping you get a framework that we know works. Put it out there, so you got the best chance of being successful from ground one, or sorry, from ground zero. Then on the first test out, little tiny tweaks based on what the market is telling you, not Steve Larsen. Okay, I'm not the one buying your thing. Okay, can we have someone enter an email address? Yeah, guys, I'll get to the whole when you don't control the cart thing in just a little bit here. Let's say, baby. They're doing $100,000 a day and they're ugly. Yes, design, again, has nothing to do with your ability to sell. Okay, I'm going to delete everything and start from scratch. That's usually what I like to do anyways. Let's go to the background and just get rid of it and start from scratch. So let's come over to Ted's Woodworking. Now, I'm not going to use this page, my gosh, but I'm just trying to share you guys how easy it is to launch this stuff. Okay, I'm going to take this and I'm going to go drop it here to my desktop. And then they got this video thing here that's running. Let's see if we can open it. Oh, we can open YouTube. Sweet. Now we got their YouTube link.
I would start with a simple chair. It couldn't be that.
Watch this video to the end. Okay, if I was building this for real, guys, I would be getting my own stuff. I'm just trying to share with you guys how easy it is to build inside of ClickFunnels stuff. Okay. Steve install this guy's stuff. No. Boom. Sweet, sweet. And then we got a bunch of stuff here. This looks like a ClickFunnels page. That's that check mark. In fact, I think this is. This is a ClickFunnels page. That wood thing in the back. Yeah. What's up? All right. Okay. Let's come in right here, and first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a section. Looks like they had a mobile version, so I'm just going to delete all that stuff. Cool. Now let's do a one column, because it looks like this is one column, right? I don't see two columns there. It's just one column row. And we need a headline, but he actually has it as an image, so I'm actually just going to put it as an image. And then a video. Toss in a video element. This video is a little bit, so it's a YouTube link. Let me get rid of the chat thing here. Let's shrink the video down. Let's go 3/4. Boom. A little bit smaller. Cool. Now let's upload the image. In fact, I'm going to upload all of these here. While that's uploading, I'm going to grab the YouTube link. Look like on the recent test, 54,000 views on this video. Not well received by woodworkers. It's making a butt ton of money. Settings top left is a way of tracking delivery in the OFA challenge box to the UK. Just listen, people. It's true. Okay. Nice. Okay, so we have this, it looks like, okay, cool. Looks like they got a subheadline right here. Subheadline. Fred, that's funny. Okay. So I reckon we've at least had $10,000 worth of training. Can I request you present my 2-comma board to me when I get it? You can request that. And does ClickFunnels have an undo button? No. Is there a way to replicate a website for someone who needs your services? I'm doing it right now. Love watching you work, laughing, sound effect. You guys like the sound effects? Didn't get the OFA box yet in Sweden. I have no control over that. You'll have to ask ClickFunnels that. But I do know that they're on their way and they've been sending out literally in the last few days. Sound keeps it fun. Anyway, okay. So we got a subheadline. And I'm going to come over here and make sure sound is turned on. Write your own stuff, okay? I'm just trying to show you how easy it is. Just do this live in front of you. Like, how cool of a test is this? I happen to have seen the background that he is using on the Ted's word-working thing as well, by the way. I know where that is. So I'm going to go get that. Pull that up, boom. I'll shrink it up just a little bit. Some of the top converting funnels ever are just simple things like this, guys. Don't get too swayed by, oh, it's gotta be perfect. No, it doesn't. Frank Kern, if you look at his funnels, it's always a white background. He has a headline, a video, and a button. Seriously, he makes millions of dollars just with that. I keep enforcing that just because it's like the biggest thing I fight with people. We have that URL. Oh, crap.
Like my grandpa had.
Like my grandpa had. Hear even the voice that they have him read it in. It's very clever. Share. Let me pull this thing up here. Copy that. Boom. Put in the URL. Next page. Watch this video until the end for full access. My guess is that there's stuff that's going to auto open on this page in the next 5-10 minutes. Why are they doing that? They want to make sure that you're serious. He didn't just come in and leave real quick. That's not helpful for them. Okay. So we'll put another headline here. Watch this video for the end in order to get full access. Full access to what? Okay, they're not telling you for that exact reason. Real customers, real testimonials. So now, look at this. I could either make this a section or a new row. I'll probably make it a new row. Yeah, make it a new row. And it's just the exact same image size, copied over and over again. I can just clone the element instead of making a new one and drag it down to this new guy here. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Let's add in an image element. That's the sound of the image element loading. Okay, there we go. Oh, sweet. I'm just cloning it a whole bunch. Boom. Now we got a whole bunch of testimonials there. I'm not going to do anything more than that. Let me pull on the sides. We'll make the background white. And let me go subtle patterns. I know I'm going fast. It's not meant to be a comprehensive walkthrough with you guys. Just trying to display what's going on. Subtlepatterns.com is pretty cool. They're free. You can use them as patterns, and they're subtle. Just going to put in wood. I'm 99% sure that this background is that. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Oops. Boom, boom, boom. I'm not going to look for the exact one. I could just grab it from the back of this page, but I'm not going to do that. Let's just download it. Open it. Downloading. Opening. Moving. Pasting. Copying. Shout out to Cloud with the Chance of Meatballs. And I'm just going to drag that image. Boom! Right there. Sweet. It's cool stuff. Super, super easy, fast lesson today. You're just going to go build it. And what Julie's going to walk you guys through is not just page building from the template we gave you, but she's also going to share you guys where to go put things like your headline, your subheadline, all the stuff to build the page. That's your only focus for today. Okay? Has to go put those things in there. Cool. I'm not going to keep building this entire thing out, but boom, and I'll just put it on repeat. There you go. Oh my Atlanta, look how good that's looking. And in a matter of minutes. Okay, let me pull on the sides a little bit. Let's add a little bit of a border. Kind of an ugly border. Okay, let's go with 2 pixels, bring it in. And then so I have little corners on there. Nice, nice, it's so nice. Cool. Now I can click save. And let's check mobile view. Sweet. Oh, you know what? I want this to be a little bit smaller mobile view. There's a time I came out from doing a 2 Comic Book coaching session. I walked out of the room, walked directly into Russell's office, and he stopped me and he goes, dude, oh, you're out? Oh my gosh, good, I'm so glad. Hey, I have to go live in 11 minutes. This funnel is not done. Would you go finish it? And I was like, 11 minutes to build the funnel? And I did. And it was insane. I encourage you not to do that. But but I got it done. And the reason is because of what you're watching me do right now. It's like, I'm even narrating while I do it, guys. Okay. Anyway, click save. Technically, this page is actually live. Okay, so I'm gonna go press preview. This is the actual page. I just don't have a domain on it, which is really easy to do. And boom.
Valued at $197.
Actually picked up where I was watching it. That's awesome. Look, he's going through a whole script. What is he telling? Stories. What does he have an offer? What did we just bring you through? That exact thing. Oh my Lanta. Okay. Sweet. Boom. Let me back that out there. Okay, it looks nicer than the original. How do you delete if you want to go back a step? There's literally, if you just hover over anything and click funnels, there's a trash can that pops up. Just click it. Alrighty. Stephen New Batman, you know how many funnels you need for a product typically? 1. Just 1. Okay. That's why we're like, it's not a cute phrase, guys. You literally are 1 funnel away. Are simple patterns for background better than the photo? It's totally your call. Asking for better, all the stuff. Anyway, I just want you to know, how do you undo if you accidentally delete? Just add the element back in. Seriously, I just save every, little while. Okay, check this out. What I want to teach you guys now. So, does that make sense? The biggest thing we want you guys to do, just go build squeeze page. That's all you're doing. You're going to go build the, technically it's a lead magnet page. And you're going to go in and build that. You're filling in the template we've already given you. But it's to kind of help you guys have a place that's a cool starting place for you. The thing though that I want to walk through with you guys real quick here is I want to share with you guys what to do when you don't control the cart. Now, some of you guys are selling into things like, you're an affiliate. Or network marketing, MLM, direct sales, whatever you decide to call it, right? Or you're a commissioned salesman on the internet somehow. Whatever the scenario is, you don't own the cart, okay? Now, a lot of you guys are in that scenario, and what I want you to be able to do is still build, right? Still go build a front-end funnel that we're talking to you guys about, okay? But that might mean that you need to act a little bit differently, and that's okay. Let me pull up Paintbrush and share my screen again. Now, just so you understand this works, one of the first products I ever did with Russell, I got there, I showed up for the job, I was excited, I was bright-eyed, certainly not bushy-tailed though, and had done enough of this stuff on my own to show up and be able to contribute quickly, which is really cool. One of the first things that he did was he wanted to win this affiliate contest, and he waited I think till the last 2 days because we were busy in order to promote and actually try and win this affiliate contest, which he won. And the way he swooped right in at the end, okay, if you are an affiliate, what do you own if you are in MLM or an affiliate or you're a commission-based salesman? What do you own? Nothing. You own nothing, right? You don't own a thing. You don't have no control over the assets at any time. You can get right. That's some scary crap, my friends. Okay, so let's think about this here. If we got a squeeze page, and you got a sales page, and you got an order page, or sorry, upsell, and then a thank you page, and then over here is the cart. Okay, over here is the cart that you don't control. Let me go through and just name these real quick. This is what you do, and this is one of the easiest ways. Guys, I have won multiple affiliate contests with this very strategy I'm showing you guys right now. Okay, I have a squeeze page or the order page here. Okay, then we have OTO or upsell, as we'll call it. Thank you page, boom, there we go. Okay, there's two ways to pull this off when you don't own a cart. The first is, say their cart. Okay, I'll just call it that. First page is the process I'm walking you through right here at the top. The second one, second way to do it is literally just this, which is usually the one I pull off more often than not. Okay, squeeze. All right, here we go. So if I was going to go in, think about this. If I was going to create an offer for something I don't own, okay, they are going to have problems that were not solved by the seller, right? Meaning, they should. Every product is a solution to a problem. But I also get new problems that I did not have until I purchased. For example, ClickFunnels, right? It's not that they're problems. Oh, they're terrible problems, right? There's just things I have to solve that I didn't even know I needed to solve until I bought ClickFunnels. For example, how do I write an email? I never had to know how to do that until I bought ClickFunnels. How do I set up an SMTP account? Steven, I don't even know what that is, right? That's okay. Steven has to do this. Steven has to do this. Oh my gosh, all these things, right? There's problems that you have to solve. It's the same thing with any product. Any opportunity is that way, right? There are things that you need to solve that you did not have problems over until you bought somebody else's product. Protein powders, right? When should I take it? When's the best time to take it? What should I pair it with? Is there things that I should eat with it, not eat with it, right? Is there, what's the quantity I should take in? Is it best mixed in with certain kinds of things? Those are things I would never have to think about until I buy the protein powder. You see what I'm saying? This is where the cherry deliciousness comes from your scenario. This is what I love, okay? So let's say that I'm going to make let's say that I'm selling protein, okay? And I'm an affiliate for someone's protein powder. Protein powder. Anyway. And I have no control over their cart. Let me walk through this bottom scenario here first. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to think to myself, what kind of problems that person need to solve? I just walked through several of them. What products could I create? What products could I deliver that solve those problems that the vendor is not thinking about? What would you guys say? Steven, you're Batman. Can you show some successful but ugly funnel pages? No! Because I think you're trying to challenge me. Moving on. I think you can get someone ClickBank. Yes, there's a lot there. Okay, when to start, when to talk, how to PDFs, when to take. Okay, nothing like a little yelling. That, my friends, is called a state interrupt. okay, I'm gonna give you guys a protein PDF guide. I'm going to give you, right? I'm also going to give you guys a cool workout plan that goes with increased protein consumption, right? Workout guide. Very easy workout plan that goes with it. Maintenance plan. I'm going to give you know what? I know that most people coming in and buying this protein are runners. What if I gave them a coupon to a cool running shoe? Right? These aren't things that the vendor's thinking about. Anyway, regardless, that's what I'm doing. Well, if that's the offer that I'm going to give, I'm going to put that on my squeeze page right here. Hey, buy this protein through me. Buy this protein, and then I will give you all these extra bonuses for free. That's a really sexy way to do it. My friends, that is how I consistently win the challenge for the 30 days book competition. Actually, I got second place last time because I was on a ship and I barely had any time to promote. Okay, that's how I won the first time, though, by a lot. I created my own offer around this book that they got access to after they bought it through me. Right? Stuff that Russell doesn't have time to create or think about. Right? Down to particulars that he doesn't have the time to go through. Okay? That's the easiest way to do it. Then what I do is on the squeeze page, right, is I tell them, hey, put in your email because I need a list build. Right? I need to build lists. Put your name and email right here, and and then all you need to do, okay, there's two parts to this. Is I make a video, and the video says, hey, here's how you go buy my protein powder. You're going to put your name and your email in the link. When you click go, it's going to send you over to this page. You can just auto redirect it. It's really easy to set up in ClickFunnels to your affiliate link. Just put your redirect link, your specific hop link, your specific affiliate link, your specific MLM link as the redirect link. Okay? All you're going to go do is put your name and your email right here. It's going to go send you over to buy. Once you've bought, all I need you to do is send your receipt back to our team, and we will unlock all these bonuses for you. Guys, Russell has won countless affiliate competitions that way. I have done the same exact thing. It's how I do MLM on the internet with Facebook ads. Yes, without actually anyone freaking out on me, Zuckerberg or my MLM. I'm not deriving or starting with my MLM. Okay, it's how I've won so many affiliate things. Okay, super freaking simple, because what did I just do? I just created a list. Ooh, fairy cherry, something that I might not actually get access to in any other manner. This is freaking insane, guys. Okay, it's so easy. This is the easiest funnel of them all. When you don't control the cart, just record yourself buying through your own links so they know how to buy. You have to walk them through how to purchase, and then at the end say, all we need you to do, screenshot the receipt that you're going to get in your email from this protein company, send it back to us, which is really easy. You can automate a lot of it, and we will unlock all of these bonuses for you. That's awesome. What that does is it lets you out-deliver anyone else who's in the affiliate competition, out-value them, out-deliver your uplines, your downlines, out-deliver anyone else in the as a salesman. Okay, people will find and seek you out, and you will become talkable. Okay, more than anybody else. And I can now drive ads to this bad boy and collect a list, which lets me put an email automation sequence on. Email, email, email. Where are those emails going? Back up to this. Back up to this. Go buy through my link, through my affiliate link, through my MLM link, through whatever you don't have control over. Super easy. Okay. One of the other things, how can you find the cart page? You're gonna have to talk to whoever you're promoting. Hey, so one of the other ways to pull this off, right, is by putting something else after the squeeze page. If you don't control the cart. Let me start over here real quick. Okay, if I got a squeeze page here, because what are the only two numbers we care about, guys? Average cart value, cost to acquire. It is no different if you don't control the cart. Okay, so say I have a squeeze page here, I have an order page, just the exact same thing I was sharing with you guys. And then over here on the side is their cart. Thank you page. Here's what we're going to do. Oops. Okay, here's what we're going to do. Let's say that this is my funnel, right, which is this right here. Let's say I have the funnel right here, and I don't control cart, or not, at least, of the thing that I want to sell. Okay, check this out. That doesn't mean I can't sell something in front of it. This is how I do it, my friends. Seriously, I have several businesses. This is what I do. Things are set up this way, and it works very, very well this way. I'm just trying to squash this one, because if anyone's like, it doesn't work because I'm in MLM or affiliates or whatever, I'm like, I've made a lot of money in the last year using this one thing. And it wasn't my cart either. Okay, so here's the thank you page. Here is their cart. Does it work with higher price tickets? Yes! Okay, moving on. Oof, I'm about to throw something. Okay. If I'm going to send traffic to a squeeze page, I've got this protein thing, right? I've got protein right here. I got the same exact thing. Let's say it's protein. Let's say I'm a protein affiliate or protein MLM or protein salesman, and I don't control the cart. Seriously, one of the easiest things to do ever is just start thinking through, like I was just talking about, right? I'm going to give you guys a cool PDF guide on the best practices to taking protein. Where should I put that? Probably at the front. So that's what they're downloading when they give me their email. Okay, what did that just do? It gave me their email. Oh, fairy cherry, my friend. Check that out. Now I got their email. I got a list, which means now I can put a cool sequence out. Email, 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 email. That's awesome. So then what I would do here is I'd make a video saying, hey, we sent you the PDF guide on how to take protein. But honestly, one of the cool things we've seen is that when you take protein, this kind of, I don't know, I'm making this up, this kind of guide, you get the power. Boom. Okay. What else did I say about it? Protein. This is the best times to take it. Workout plan. That actually would be a super good one. Workout plan for high protein intake. Includes free self-diagnosis for optimal what? Okay, now that's an offer now, right? So that's, I put something like this, like that's what it's selling. Hey, and this is, I'm going to give you a workout plan, but also a self-diagnosis kit on how to actually go and the kinds of proteins that I know you're going to need. For you, it's $12.97. So then they fill out the order form right down below right here. Bloop. Fill out the order form. Fill out. Credit card. They fill it out. They buy it. You send it out to them automatically, which is super cool. And then on the next page, you're like, hey, wait a second. Do you want, if you want, what we'll do is we'll get on with you one-on-one. Or if you want, what we'll do is, I don't know. We actually have this cool rebate for, oh, you know what would be cool is Meal Guide. A video right here about Meal Guide. Meal Guide, you guys getting the point? Okay, I'm building my own offer around someone else's product. Just because someone else made the product does not mean I don't have to make the marketing. The worst way ever to be an affiliate, an MLMer, some kind of commissioned salesman is to take your link that they give you and just freaking barf it all over the internet. That's stupid. Okay, it's so dumb. Okay, here's this meal guide, and we're gonna give you this meal guide for, I don't know, something a little more high ticket. I would sell for, could be $500, depending on who you're selling. $47. Okay, on the thank you page, I'm gonna have a video that says, hey, if you want, here's the best kind of protein we know works the best. Okay, click this button right here. What button are they clicking, my friend? Your affiliate link, your MLM link. Okay, click this button right here and go get it. Right, and when you're done, come back and we'll give you this bonus, this bonus, this bonus, just by emailing us your receipt. What did I just do? I just created an engine to break even on my ads. It also means I now can spend ads profitably to sell the actual thing I want to. Guys, this model is used all over the internet by people who actually know how to do it. Okay, all I did is I made average cart value. Right now, my average cart value is $12, $47. Maybe average cart value is something like, I don't know, in that area it's probably gonna be around like 19 bucks, right? Some people will buy the 47, some people won't. But now it means I can spend $19 to acquire a customer, okay, that no one else could. Let's say my cost per acquisition, if it's something like this, it might actually straight up just be $19. That wouldn't surprise me, especially for the supplement space, okay? But and a lot of times, that's your entire freaking commission that you would get over here. People can't spend money on ads when they're in the MLM or affiliate marketing or some kind of commissioned area. They'll spend all their money. They don't make any. They go in the hole. This is how people do it, okay? And you have the list, exactly. You got the list. And now, like, go buy this. Help me liquidate my ad cost. You're not going to say that, but that's what the point is. Then after a while, it switches. You know what? Do you want just like the coolest protein ever? And it starts pushing over there. Okay. You guys getting that? Super, super, super powerful. Very powerful. Okay. Doesn't matter if you're an affiliate. Doesn't matter. One of the guys, being an affiliate in ClickFunnels is so freaking easy. It's why a lot of the pages in ClickBank are ClickFunnels pages now. And if you have a product, if you don't have a product, if you're an MLM, if you're a commissioned salesman, if you're in B2B, you're door-to-door, it doesn't matter. You guys, if you need leads or sales, those are really the only two things I can think of that means you should probably have ClickFunnels. I'm not trying to be a smart A. I'm just telling you guys, like, look, I get so tired of people saying things like, it's not going to work for me. I'm like, there's like tens of thousands of others in your exact thing doing it, and you're the variable now, okay? You got to get past that belief. It's the biggest thing I fight inside this challenge. I'm willing to get a little forward over it. Okay? Great stuff. Does this work for higher price stuff? Of course. If you need leads or sales. Thanks, we'll build our own. Cool. You get the power you need to work out. Yeah, exactly. Stuff like that. Ketones. Yeah, best of 100%. Coupon. Definitely. You could put a coupon in there. Exactly. Love it. Should the OTO be more expensive than the sales page? Typically, yeah, it's a great question. Groovin. Usually, as you move down the funnel, there's slight increases in prices. That will ultimately is where your profit comes from. You have a list. Feels like Take Over the World meeting right now. It's freaking cool, isn't it? Barf it. Boom. What app or tool is the Facebook Messenger on Russell's opt-in? It's native in ClickFunnels now. You can have a Facebook Messenger opt-in. It's really cool. You guys, you understand that ClickFunnels spends like $500,000 a month in R&D? Okay? They have 16 full-time developers. Another 36 in the tech team, just testing crap, making sure it always works. It's really cool. There is constant new features coming out. It's not just like a one and done kind of thing. ClickFunnels is always like, anyways, it's awesome, super cool. The most cutting edge things. Most of the time what Russell does is he looks around to see what tools are rising, and then instead of buying their company, he'll just look over at our dev team and say, would you build that? And it's out in like a week usually. Let's see. Don't quite get it, but I'll watch it again. Sweet. I have 2 MLM accounts. Awesome. Sounds good. Yeah, I'm an MLM too. This is how I do it. ClickFunnels, I should buy ConvertKit. Oh, should buy ConvertKit. Yeah. Hey guys, I'll see you guys later. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I know it was a little bit deep. This last little section here is a little bit of a bonus session. Please keep up. Okay, I know it's a lot right now, but this will change your life. You're building a real powerhouse here if you just stick with it a little bit. Guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Get to it. Watch the things from Julie. She's going to show you how to build the squeeze page, where to put all the assets we've been helping you gather. And then watch the thing from Russell too, okay? He's going to help you know a little bit more of squeeze page psychology. And we'll see you guys tomorrow, and we'll go actually build the actual sales page tomorrow. Bye, guys.